So these are the Beats Studio Buds, and they have officially, believe it or not, replaced my AirPods Pro. For a lot of good reasons. Not only do they have a much more reasonable price tag, as it starts at $149, unlike AirPods, it actually comes available in 3 different color choices: white, black, and I have mine in red. And I bought these since day one. I've been using them day to day, and these are going to be my final thoughts on why you should consider picking these up, and a necessary accessory that's a must-have if you don't want these to easily fall out your ears. I'm going to go ahead and cover all that and more, so let's begin. So the biggest selling point for me, going straight to the point, is these actually have noise cancellation. And when you combo them with a much needed upgraded silicone tips from this third party I found on Amazon, these things actually do an excellent job in terms of not just isolating, but also just eliminating the background noise in general. I use these a lot during my gym. I don't have to worry about the stem. Unlike AirPods, these literally just fit in and then stay in place. Now if I convert these and switch them back to the silicone tip, now these things are going to easily fall out. I do not recommend these for working out if you're not using a third-party silicone tip. But with the correct tip inserted, these things actually do stay in your ear, so you can do even the harshest movements and they'll definitely stay in place. Now the controllers is really basic. They are really sensitive. This is somewhat of a con. It takes a while to get used to, but you could either toggle to pause and play your songs, skip track, go to the previous track, and of course you could switch between noise cancellation or transparency mode. Transparency mode, on the other hand, doesn't perform on par compared to Apple's AirPods, but still nonetheless does an excellent job in allowing me to hear my surroundings if somebody is talking to me. Now, a pro and a con about these Beats is that unfortunately there's no wireless G charging, but a pro, it does use a USB-C port. So I can literally use the same charger that I use for my Mac or my other devices to charge these bad boys, and it charges up pretty quick. USB-C, the USB-C cable is provided, and each individual earbud is able to provide up to 8 hours of listening time. And you get 2 additional charges with the case. So total up to 24 hours combined. Now on their website they list if you have active noise cancellation or transparency mode on, you can only get up to 15 hours total combined, or 5 hours each bud. From my experience, I really want to say I get more than that, even with the transparency and the active noise cancellation on. So I'll say close to 6 or 7 it feels like. Now another point where I see these things make a better value than AirPods Pros is that they also use a similar to Bluetooth technology like the AirPods, where if you're using an Apple device, you literally just open up the case and it just pairs in a matter of seconds. It even gives you this cool animation, and you can monitor the battery life percentage right here on your widget on your Apple device. Same is also can be said about Android. You could use this on Android, as it also provides a similar experience, which is really awesome. Just however, unlike AirPods Pro, you need to pair these up to your other devices by holding up the pair button. It doesn't synchronize all at once with your Apple account. That's the only con, but not really a drawback, honestly. Just hold this thing for a couple seconds and bam, you're good. Now in terms of overall audio quality, honestly, they're good. They're very good, especially if you have the active noise cancellation enable. Like literally the music you're listening to is fantastic. It's doable in my opinion. Now that said, keep this in mind, I am not an audiophile, so my bass and mixtures and stuff like that's kind of all over the place, but if it's enough that satisfies me and my friends that also try these things, they're good. They're almost on par with AirPods. I want to say the AirPods are less bass focus, and these are a little bit higher on bass, but not too dramatic to a point where it's like I can't use these. They sound great, in other words, so you won't be disappointed. The retail price these things sell for, it's worth its asking price, and you might be able to find these on sale, come thinking about it, especially since we're approaching the holidays. Now a massive pro when choosing between these earbuds and other competitors is that these actually have a wire and dust resistant rating, as these actually have an IPX4. AirPods do not, shockingly. These are wire resistant. This actually gives you the best peace of mind. Other great values that I see off of these things is just like the AirPods, these also support the SIRI. I don't want to stop your device functionality. So you can hands-free just launch your virtual voice assistant, which is amazing, especially when you have to do a quick reply or ask it a general question. Yeah, as you tell, wearing these, they are really low profile, which is something I really do like. They don't stand out. They're minimum. They are low key, especially if you get it in a different color, not just bright red, which I've done. Of course, these will stand out even though they sit flush on my ears, but if you get the white ones or the black ones, these should look nice if you're trying to accomplish that stealth look. Now, in terms of charge rate, these support Beats' clever marketing team, fast fuel charging, what they call it, which a 5-minute charge will give you up to 1 hour of playback. So that's not bad. Now, since I know for a darn fact I'm not the only one that's constantly comparing these to AirPods, the important bits is basically this. These things are nicely compact and small, slightly bigger than the AirPod case, but not at all anything dramatic. I like the satisfying click that it has, very similar to AirPods. This will actually stay shut with a strong magnetic pull. Even the earbuds are held together this way as well. Super satisfying, no fear of these breaking or cracking from normal wear and tear. I like the fact that the outer shell is a matte texture. No need to fear of getting easily scratched and banged and marked up and such. And shockingly, just like AirPods, there's actually a good amount of support from third-party accessories for these. So if you want a silicone case, you can easily find one and get one. And another place where I find these things to really be worth their value is the fact that, just like AirPods, you can actually track these with the Find My app. So if you lose an earbud or whatever, you could play sound individually so you can locate that earbud quickly. And in terms of microphone quality, whenever you have to answer a phone call, basically what you're hearing me right now is through the built-in microphones inside the stems. And from my experience, indoors it's not really bad. Even outdoors it's actually doable to the most part. So if I ever have to answer a phone call and I have these on, these will have no issue that the color will be able to have a hard time understanding me. The microphone quality, in my opinion, is doable. So, in reality, who are these really for? Well, I see them as a better alternative than the AirPods Pro. So if you're not a fan of the AirPods Pro design, but you also like the features that it has, great, awesome alternative. And in addition to that, it's friendly no matter what operating system you're on. So you could be on Android or iOS, you'll still benefit off its internal features and software features that it has, like the Find My, which also works on Android. Beats, they did an excellent job making it fair no matter what operating system you're using. So there you guys have it. That is my, I guess, 3-month review of owning these Beats. If I convince you to get them, make sure you use the affiliate links in the video description down below. They don't cost you anything, they just send a small kickback to the channel, and the links are always going to be up to date. So if there is a deal going on, you'll be the first to know if you click on them. Other than that, if you did pick one up, make sure to check out this video afterwards as I go through some awesome tips and tricks that these Beats actually have, because they actually have a lot. And in that video over there, that's just a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.